Explore top-rated mini RC cars for enthusiasts of all ages. Discover a range of high-performance models perfect for racing and stunts. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned hobbyist, find compact designs with impressive speed and agility. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best mini RC cars you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which toys and games topic you'd like to see in our next videos. The Losi Mini B 1/16 RTR 2WD buggy is a standout in the world of mini RC cars, ranking as the number 5 best mini RC car. It brings TLR 2WD buggy engineering and performance to a smaller 1/16 scale, offering a stable, fast, and well-handling vehicle. This buggy's design includes updated suspension geometry derived from the TLR22 platform, ensuring superior performance on the track. Its mid-motor configuration provides better balance, while oil-filled shocks enhance its handling capabilities. One of the key features of the Losi Mini B is its waterproof electronics and a 2.4 GHz radio system, allowing for versatile use in various conditions. The buggy is powered by a dynamite-brushed 280 size 47T motor and comes with a 650 mAh 2S LiPo battery that includes an EC2 connector and a USB 0.5A charger for convenience. The aluminum chassis, elastomer battery strap system, and threaded oil-filled shocks contribute to its robust and durable construction. Fully assembled and ready to run, the Mini B also includes taper pin front tires and BK bar rear tires with dish wheels for optimal traction. The Spectrum SX107 metal gear servo and full ball bearings ensure smooth operation. Additionally, the buggy offers a wide range of optional parts for further customization. Available in 3 color options, the Losi Mini B 1/16 RTR 2WD buggy delivers a comprehensive high-performance RC experience in a compact and user-friendly package. The Axial SCX24 Deadbolt RTR 1/24 scale mini crawler, a top-tier entry in the mini RC car world, holds the number 4 spot among the best mini RC cars. This miniature marvel, measuring less than 8 inches, excels in both indoor and outdoor settings. Designed to handle tough climbs and rough trails with ease, it's accessible to new drivers while offering the performance that seasoned hobbyists expect. The SCX24 inherits the ruggedness of its larger sibling, the SCX10, featuring steel components like C-channel frame rails, robust front and rear axles, and sturdy dog bones. This ready-to-run vehicle offers the simplicity of out-of-the-box operation combined with scale realism and confident handling. Its 3-link front and 4-link rear suspension system ensures smooth and realistic handling. The combination of coilover shocks and durable plastic suspension links guarantees the robust crawling performance that Axial is renowned for, even in this compact form. The worm gear axles provide superior ground clearance and a low gear ratio, effectively reducing torque twists and enhancing control. The SCX24 Deadbolt is powered by a 180 size motor paired with a LiPo battery, offering plenty of power and endurance on the trails. The vehicle's design features a classic stance, with a bulging hood, a realistic driver figure, and a molded roll cage complete with a light bar, mirroring the aesthetics of the larger 1/10 Deadbolt. The licensed KMC XD229 machete crawl wheels and Nitto Trail Grappler tires add to their rugged, authentic look. Ideal for beginners, the SCX24 Deadbolt comes fully assembled and ready to hit the trails. The package includes a 2.4 GHz radio system with an ESC receiver unit, a Dynamite 88T brushed electric motor, a 350 mAh 2S 7.4V LiPo battery, a USB LiPo charger, and even 4 AA cells for the transmitter. The FMS FCX24 Power Wagon stands out as a top contender in the mini RC car world, ranking 3rd overall. It boasts impressive features that elevate its performance and realism. The vehicle is designed with a true-to-scale Power Wagon body, complete with intricate details such as windshield wipers, a snorkel, and functional headlights. The custom-caged bed further enhances its authentic look. Beneath its detailed exterior, the Power Wagon is built on a durable nylon chassis and features a 4-link suspension system that precisely positions its portal axles. These axles are driven by a remotely shifted 2-speed transmission, powered by a robust 130-size brushed motor. This combination provides excellent crawling capabilities at low speeds and a remarkable top speed. The included 4-channel transmitter offers comprehensive control, allowing drivers to manage the 2-speed transmission and headlights, and even adjust ESC settings on the go. This flexibility includes options for drive modes, voltage cutoff settings, and 4 levels of drag brake adjustments. The FMS FCX24 Power Wagon is equipped with full ball bearings, a metal gear steering servo, metal CVD axles, oil damper shocks, and a factory-installed light kit. These features ensure hours of thrilling, scale-accurate RC fun in a compact package. The Kyosho MX01 Mini Z4x4, ready set with Jeep Wrangler Rubicon body, stands out as a leading contender among mini RC cars, celebrated for its meticulous design and exceptional performance capabilities. This model takes the MX01 series to new heights by faithfully replicating the rugged charm of the Jeep Wrangler Rubicon in a palm-sized package. Its striking black over-fenders, detailed front grille with dark gray accents, and iconic round headlights capture the essence of the full-size vehicle with remarkable precision. Designed for enthusiasts who appreciate both scale realism and robust performance, the MX01 Mini Z4x4 features a chassis and suspension system inspired by larger 1/10 scale off-road models. The ladder frame construction, paired with multi-link rigid axle suspension, ensures optimal articulation and durability, crucial for tackling various terrains with ease. This setup not only enhances the aesthetic appeal, but also delivers superior driving dynamics suitable for climbing and crawling challenges. Under the hood, the Mini Z4x4 boasts a specially designed high-torque motor and a slipper clutch system, providing smooth power delivery and protecting the drivetrain during intense maneuvers. The inclusion of coil-over shock absorbers with 360-degree spring retainers further enhances its off-road prowess, ensuring stability and resilience over rough terrain. Adjustable wheelbase settings allow for customization, catering to different driving preferences and terrain conditions. The TeamAssociated NanoSport 132nd 2WD ready-to-run offers miniature excitement with maximum thrills. Engineered by TeamAssociated, renowned for power and precision, this micro-sized marvel brings soccer and hockey to life in your own space. Each car's molded front manipulates a puck or ball, fostering strategic, skill-driven gameplay. Competitors clash in dynamic battles, skillfully jostling for possession while tactically ramming rivals. Versatility defines NanoSport's appeal. Setup matches anywhere, from living rooms to driveways, with makeshift goals like waste baskets or cardboard boxes. Customize obstacles to challenge your agility and strategy, adapting the game to your preferences and environment. Equipped with rechargeable batteries and adjustable throttle dual rates, NanoSport ensures optimal speed control. Optional accessories expand gameplay possibilities, enhancing the experience for both novice and expert players alike. From precise radio-controlled maneuvers to the rush of high-speed action, NanoSport captivates with its blend of teamwork, coordination, and strategic thinking. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.